Keeping costs under control is a continual challenge in today's oil and gas drilling industry. Environmental concerns are high on the public agenda, not to mention the added efficiencies that can be gained by the judicious use and recycling of water. The management at Calx Corporation has acquired much experience over the years in the purifying and recycling of water from drilling mud. Introducing the Calx Diffuser, a clarifier without peer in the industry. The long list of features and benefits reduces overall costs. Increased ROP, or rate of penetration. Drilling fluid savings as fluid is reused from well to well. 50 to 70% reduction in water drilling fluid use. Reduction in disposal costs. Eliminate or reduce in-ground sumps or pits. Reduction in chemical costs. One-load systems reduces trucking costs, a small footprint on location. The diffuser can tie into a centrifuge for greater versatility on different mud sections, no changeout and less non-productive time. Low power consumption, 70 horsepower total. Ease of operation for technicians. One level flat operating surface for greater QHSE. Cleanup of frac fluids, remote sumps, and pits. Pre-filtration of facilities and plants for UF or feed water. And the ability to change tube settlers for differing formations, which ensures better separation. The diffuser receives contaminated solids and liquids into the contaminant collection chamber under turbulent flow. It can process 1,250 gallons per minute at up to 50% solids, much higher than a centrifuge and twice the rate of comparable systems. Chemicals are then added to the chemical blending chamber in precise pre-measured amounts and concentrations to ensure maximum agglomeration and to control chemical costs to the client. The mixture is then pumped under turbulent flow to the diffusion chamber, where the mixture changes from turbulent flow to laminar flow. The change in fluid dynamics allows the solids and liquids to begin initial separation. The higher specific gravity solids will quickly drop out of the diffusion chamber through the 6-inch holes in the bottom and collect in the primary solids discharge cavity. The remaining colloidal solids and liquids change direction and flow upwards through the first low-gravity solid separation area, passing through a set of tube settlers. They will then change direction again and flow through weirs to the secondary separation area. The liquid is forced to change direction in another upward path and pass through tube separation again. This area collects and agglomerates the remaining colloidal particles, which drop out of the liquids to the secondary solids discharge chamber. All of the fluid dynamics, turbulent flow to laminar flow, change of horizontal and vertical direction, hydraulic capacity of the static head pressure, and tube separation contribute to the separation process. The low-gravity solids are then transported via half-pitch augers into the primary discharge cavity to agglomerate with the high-gravity solids for discharge. This process provides clean liquids with 99.6% solids removal. The non-G-force process features very low power consumption and allows for complete reuse of the liquids. Operation is simple. This visual process does not require highly technical individuals such as mechanical engineers to operate. Training time to field operation is minimal. The Calx Diffuser is the most powerful and cost-effective clarifier on the market today. Its capacity puts it in a class by itself. There is no comparable system on the market with flow capacity, separation ability, low power consumption, and ease of use to date. The Calx Diffuser, creating an environment where all benefit.